Welcome to this tutorial on logging on to the SAP IBP Add-in for Excel. After logging on, users can access SAP IBP data directly in Excel. They can adjust data, run planning operators, perform what-if analysis in simulation mode, and share planning scenarios with team members. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log on to SAP IBP Add-in for Excel step by step. Step 1. Click the SAP IBP ribbon. The SAP IBP ribbon appears. Step 2. Click the Log On button in the connection group. The Log On to SAP IBP page appears. Step 3. Click the Connection drop-down in the Log On to SAP IBP page. Available connection options appear. Step 4. Select the required connection. Step 5. Confirm the connection and then click the Log On button. The web authentication page appears. This authentication step is omitted in this tutorial. Please wait. If the Log On is successful, additional buttons appear in the SAP IBP ribbon. In summary, logging on to the SAP IBP Add-in for Excel involves opening the Log On page. Depending on your system setup, you may also need to select an account, enter your email and password, or approve the request in your Authenticator app. Additionally, the logon steps may vary slightly. Please adapt accordingly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.